Hello and welcome to Effective Learning. So, country, capital and currency is one of the most important topics in terms of static GK for the various government exams conducted in our country. Basically, important countries related facts, especially those countries which are in news over the recent year, is a part of almost all major government exams, and scoring marks in this section is the easiest since no calculations and solutions are required. But this is possible only if you are completely prepared. Here in this video, I bring to you important countries along with their capital and the currency. Candidates must learn this to their tips as it may prove to be beneficial for them. And one more thing, I am going to cover all important countries according to their continent. And this is the first part on this topic. Today I will cover Asia continent. In next part, Europe and Africa, and in the third part, rest of the countries. So let's start the video. And I am starting from our country, India. So India, officially the Republic of India, is the country of South Asia. It is the second most populous country and the seventh largest country by area, and the most populous democracy in the world, bounded by the Indian Ocean on the south and the Arabian Sea on the southwest and the Bay of Bengal on the southeast. And it shares land boundaries with Pakistan to the west, China, Nepal and Bhutan to the north, and Bangladesh and Myanmar to the east. And as you know, Indian rupee is the currency, and the Indian government is Federal Parliamentary Constitutional Republic, and President, all you know, Ramnath Kovind, and Prime Minister is Narendra Modi. Capital, New Delhi, is an urban district located in the city of Delhi, and it serves as the capital of India and the seat of all three branches of the government of India. Moving to the next country, Sri Lanka, our neighboring country. I will cover neighboring country first. So Sri Lanka, officially the Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka, is an island country in the South Asia, located in the Indian Ocean, southwest of the Bay of Bengal and southeast of the Arabian Sea. And its currency is Sri Lankan rupee. And Colombo is the executive and judicial capital. Sri Jayawardhanapura Kotte is the legislative capital of Sri Lanka. And government is unitary semi-presidential constitutional republic. President is Gotabaya Rajapaksa and Prime Minister Mahinda Rajapaksa. Moving forward to the next country, that is Pakistan. Pakistani rupee is the currency, and Pakistan, officially the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, is a country in South Asia. It is the world's fifth most populous country with the population exceeding 212.2 million. Islamabad is the capital and is federally administered as part of Islamabad Capital Territory. Moving forward to the next country, that is Nepal. Nepalese rupee is the currency of Nepal, and officially it is known as Federal Democratic Republic of Nepal, and it is located mainly in the Himalayas but also included the parts of Indo-Gangetic Plain. And Kathmandu being its capital, and it is the largest city also. Current Prime Minister is KP Sharma Oli, and Vidya Devi Bhandari is the current president. Moving forward to the next country, that is Myanmar. Kyat is the currency of Myanmar. Myanmar, which is formerly known as Burma and officially the Republic of the Union of Myanmar, is a country in Southeast Asia, and Myanmar is bordered by Bangladesh and India to its northwest, China to its northeast, Laos and Thailand to its east and southeast, and the Andaman Sea and the Bay of Bengal to its south and southwest. And here government is Unitary Parliamentary Constitutional Republic. Win Myint is the current president, and Naypyidaw is the capital of Myanmar, and it is the third largest city of Myanmar, and it is located at the center of the Naypyidaw Union Territory. Moving forward to the next country, that is China. Yuan or renminbi is the currency of China, and China is officially known as the People's Republic of China. It is the world's most populous country with a population of around 1.4 billion in 2019. Beijing is the capital of China, and it is the world's most populous capital city. And Party General Secretary and President of China is Xi Jinping. Next country is Bhutan. Bhutan, its currency is Bhutanese Ngultram. Officially, Bhutan is known as Kingdom of Bhutan, is a landlocked country in South Asia. Thimphu is the capital of Bhutan, formerly spelled as Thimbu also, and it is the largest city of Bhutan. It is situated in the western center part of Bhutan, and the surrounding valley of one of Bhutan is Jongkhas, the Thimphu district. Moving forward to the next country, that is Bangladesh. Taka is the currency of Bangladesh, and Bangladesh is officially known as People's Republic of Bangladesh. It is a country in South Asia. It is the 8th most populous country in the world, and Bangladesh shares land borders with India to the west, north and east. And Dhaka is the capital, and it is also the largest city of Bangladesh. Abdul Hamid is the president, and Sheikh Hasina Prime Minister. Next neighboring country of India is Afghanistan. Afghani is the currency of Afghanistan, and Afghanistan is officially known as the Islamic Republic of Afghanistan. It is also a landlocked country at the crossroad of Central and South Asia. Government is Unitary Presidential Islamic Republic, and President is Ashraf Ghani. Capital is Kabul, and it is the largest city of Afghanistan, located in the eastern section of the country. Afghanistan is bordered by Pakistan to the east and south, Iran to the west, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan and Tajikistan to the north, and China to the northeast. Next country is Bahrain. Bahraini dinar is the currency of Bahrain. Capital is Manama, and it is largest city also. Next country, Brunei. Currency Brunei dollar, and it is officially the nation of Brunei, the abode of peace, and it is located on the north coast of the island of Borneo in Southeast Asia. And Bandar Seri Begawan is the capital and the largest city of Brunei. Moving forward to the next country, Cambodia. Cambodian riel is the currency of Cambodia, and Cambodia is officially the Kingdom of Cambodia, and it is a country located in the southern portion of the Indochina Peninsula in Southeast Asia. Capital is Phnom Penh, and it is the most populous city in Cambodia, and Phnom Penh has been the national capital since French colonization of Cambodia. Next country is Timor-Leste or East Timor. US dollar is the currency of Timor-Leste, and Dili is the capital, and it is also known as the City of Peace. Moving forward to the next country, Georgia. Lira is the currency of Georgia, and Georgia officially known as Republic of Georgia. It is a country in the Caucasus region of Eurasia, located at the crossroad of Western Asia and Eastern Europe. It is bounded to the west by the Black Sea, to the north by Russia, to the south by Turkey and Armenia, and to the southeast by Azerbaijan. Tbilisi is the capital and the largest city of Georgia, lying on the bank of the Kura River, with a population of approximately 1.5 million people. Moving forward to the next country, Indonesia. Its currency is rupiah, and it is a country in Southeast Asia and Oceania between the Indian and Pacific Ocean. It consists of more than 17,000 islands, including Sumatra, Java, Borneo, Sulawesi, New Guinea, and its capital is Jakarta. And it is also the largest city of Indonesia, situated on the northwest coast of the world's most populous island of Java. It is the center of economy, culture, and politics. Moving forward to the next country, that is Iran. Iranian rial is the currency of Iran, and it is a country in Western Asia. It is bordered to the northwest by Armenia and Azerbaijan, to the north by the Caspian Sea, to the northeast by Turkmenistan, to the east by Afghanistan and Pakistan. Unitary Communist Presidential Islamic Republic is the type of government, and Ali Khamenei is the supreme leader presently. Its capital is Tehran, and it is the most populous city in Iran and Western Asia. Moving forward to the next country in the Asian continent, that is Iraq. Iraqi dinar is the currency of Iraq. It is bordered by Turkey to the north, Iran to the east, Kuwait to the southeast, Saudi Arabia to the south, Jordan to the southwest, and Syria to the west. Baghdad is the capital of Iraq and the third largest city in the Arab world after Riyadh and Cairo, located along the Tigris River, and the city was founded in the 8th century and became the capital of the Abbasid Caliphate. Next country, Israel. Israeli new shekel is the currency of Israel, and it is formally known as State of Israel. It is a country in Western Asia located on the southeastern shore of the Mediterranean Sea and the northern shore of the Red Sea. It has land borders with Lebanon to the north, Syria to the northeast, Jordan to the east, and Jerusalem is the capital of Israel. It is a city in the Middle East located on the plateau in the Judean mountain between the Mediterranean and the Dead Sea, and it is one of the oldest cities in the world. Moving forward to the next country, that is Japan. Yen is the currency of Japan, and it is an island country in East Asia located in the Northwest Pacific Ocean. It bordered the Sea of Japan to the west, and it extends from the Sea of Okhotsk in the north and to the East China Sea and Taiwan in the south. And Japan, it is the part of the Pacific Ring of Fire, and Tokyo is the capital of Japan, and it is the most populous prefecture of Japan located at the head of Tokyo Bay. Shinzo Abe is the Prime Minister of Japan. Moving forward to the next country, that is Jordan. Jordanian dinar is the currency of Jordan, and it is an Arab country in Western Asia on the east bank of the Jordan River. It is bordered by Saudi Arabia to the south and the east, Iraq to the northeast, Syria to the north, and Israel and Palestine to the west. Amman is the capital of Jordan. And Amman, it is the economic, political, and cultural center of Jordan. Moving forward to the next country, that is Kazakhstan. Kazakhstani tenge is the currency of Kazakhstan. It is officially known as the Republic of Kazakhstan, and it is the transcontinental country largely located in Central Asia, with the most western part of it being located in Eastern Europe, and it is the world's largest landlocked country and the 9th largest country in the world. Nur Sultan is the capital of Kazakhstan. Moving forward to the next country, North Korea. North Korea, its currency is North Korean won, and it is officially known as the Democratic People's Republic of Korea. It's a country in East Asia, and country is bordered to the north by China and by Russia along the Amnok and Tumen River, and to the south by South Korea with the heavily fortified Korean demilitarized zone. Pyongyang is the capital and the largest city of North Korea. It is located on the Tidong River. Moving forward to the next country, that is South Korea. South Korean won is the currency of South Korea. It is a country in East Asia, constituting the southern part of the Korean peninsula and sharing a land border with North Korea. Moon Jae-in is the current president of South Korea. Unitary Presidential Constitutional Republic is the type of government of South Korea. Seoul, officially the Seoul Special City, is the capital and the largest metropolis of South Korea. Moving forward to the next country, Kuwait. Kuwaiti dinar is the currency of Kuwait, and Kuwait City is the capital and the largest city of Kuwait, located at the heart of the country on the shore of the Persian Gulf. Next country, Kyrgyzstan. Kyrgyzstani som is the currency of Kyrgyzstan, and officially it is known as Kyrgyz Republic. It is a country in Central Asia. Bishkek is the capital of Kyrgyzstan. It is the largest city also of Kyrgyzstan. Moving forward to the next country, that is Laos. Laos is the currency of Laos. It is a socialist state and the only landlocked country in Southeast Asia. Vientiane is the capital of Laos, on the bank of Mekong River near the border with Thailand. Moving forward to the next country, Lebanon. Lebanese pound is the currency of Lebanon, and it is bordered by Syria to the north and east and Israel to the south. Beirut is the capital of Lebanon. Moving forward to the next country, Malaysia. Ringgit is the currency of Malaysia. Kuala Lumpur is the federal territory and the capital city of Malaysia. It is the largest city in Malaysia. Moving forward to the next country, Maldives. Maldivian rupiah is the currency of Maldives, and it is officially known as the Republic of Maldives. It is a small island nation in South Asia situated in the Arabian Sea of the Indian Ocean. It lies southwest of Sri Lanka and India. Malé is the capital and most populous city in the Republic of Maldives. The city is geographically located at the southern edge of North Malé Atoll. Ibrahim Mohammed Soleh is the president presently. Next country, Mongolia. Mongolian Tobruk is the currency of Mongolia. It is a landlocked country in East Asia. Its area is roughly equivalent with the historical territory of Outer Mongolia, and that term is sometimes used to refer to the current state. Ulaanbaatar is the current capital of Mongolia, and it is also the largest city of Mongolia. Next country is Oman. Omani Riyal is the currency of Oman. It is officially known as Sultanate of Oman. It is a country on the southeastern coast of Arabian Peninsula in Western Asia. Muscat is the capital and largest city of Oman. Moving to the next country, Philippines. Philippine peso is the currency of Philippines. It is an archipelagic country in Southeast Asia, and Manila is the capital of Philippines. Next country is Qatar. Qatari Riyal is the currency of Qatar. Doha is the capital of Qatar. Next country is Russia. Russian ruble is the currency of Russia. It is a transcontinental country located in Eastern Europe and Northern Asia. Vladimir Putin is the current president, and Mikhail Mishustin is the current Prime Minister of Russia. Moscow is the capital of Russia, and it is the most populous city of Russia, standing on the Moskva River in the central part of Western Russia. Next country is Saudi Arabia. Its currency is Saudi Riyal. It is a country in Western Asia, constituting the bulk of Arabian Peninsula. Salman is the king of Saudi Arabia, as because her government is of type unitary Islamic absolute monarchy. Riyadh is the capital of Saudi Arabia and the largest city of the Saudi Arabia. Moving forward to the next country, Singapore. Singapore dollar is the currency of Singapore. It is a sovereign island city-state in maritime Southeast Asia. It lies about 1 degree of latitude north of the equator of the southern tip of Malay Peninsula, and Singapore City being the capital of Singapore. Next country is Syria. Syrian pound is the currency of Syria. It is a country in Western Asia, bordering Lebanon to the southwest, the Mediterranean Sea to the west, Turkey to the north, Iraq to the east, Jordan to the south, and Israel to the southwest. And its capital is Damascus. It is also the country's largest city. Next country is Taiwan. New Taiwan dollar is the currency of Taiwan, and it is a country in East Asia. Neighboring countries including the People's Republic of China to the northwest, Japan to the northeast, and the Philippines to the south. Taipei is the capital of Taiwan, located in the northern side of Taiwan. Next country is Tajikistan. Somoni is the currency of Tajikistan. Officially, it is known as Republic of Tajikistan. It is a mountainous landlocked country in Central Asia. Dushanbe is the capital and the largest city of Tajikistan. Moving forward to the next country, that is Thailand. Baht is the currency of Thailand. It is a country in the Southeast Asia, located at the center of the Indo-Chinese Peninsula. Bangkok is the capital and most populous city of Thailand. Moving forward to the next country, that is Turkey. Turkish lira is the currency of Turkey. It is a transcontinental Eurasian country located mainly on the Anatolian Peninsula in Western Asia. Ankara is the capital of Turkey. It is Turkey's second largest city after Istanbul. Next country is Turkmenistan. Turkmen New Manat is the currency of Turkmenistan, and it is also known as Turkmenia. It is a sovereign country in Central Asia, bordered by Kazakhstan to the northwest, Uzbekistan to the north and east, Afghanistan to the southeast, Iran to the south and southwest, and the Caspian Sea to the west. And Ashgabat is the capital of Turkmenistan. Next country in the Asian continent is United Arab Emirates. And UAE dirham is the currency of United Arab Emirates, sometimes simply called it as Emirates. It is a country in Western Asia. Abu Dhabi is the capital of UAE, and it is the second most populous city of UAE after Dubai. Moving forward to the next country, that is Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan Som is the currency of Uzbekistan. It is a country in Central Asia. It is surrounded by 5 landlocked countries: Kazakhstan to the north, Kyrgyzstan to the northeast, Tajikistan to the southeast, Afghanistan to the south, and Turkmenistan to the southwest. And Tashkent is the capital of Uzbekistan. Next country is Vietnam. Dong is the currency of Vietnam. It is a country in Southeast Asia and the easternmost country on the Indo-Chinese peninsula. Hanoi is the capital city of Vietnam. It is the second largest city, and Ho Chi Minh City is the largest city of Vietnam. Next and last country is Yemen. Yemeni Riyal is the currency of Yemen. Officially, the Republic of Yemen is a country at the southern end of Arabian Peninsula in Western Asia. Sana'a is the de jure capital of Yemen. That's all for the day.